Welcome to the Preacher's Corner. We have 10 powerful themes to ponder for this feast of the Epiphany of the Lord. Epiphany and Revelation. The visit to the Magi represents the revelation of Christ to the Gentiles. It points out the universal nature of Christ's message. Seeking Christ. The journey of the Magi as a metaphor for our own search for meaning, purpose, and encountering Christ in our lives. When we seek Christ, we search our own meaning and purpose in our lives. Faith and trust. This feast highlights the faith and trust exhibited by the Magi as they followed the star with a fully understanding where it would lead them. It encourages us to trust in God's guidance. Worship and adoration. The response of the Magi in offering gifts and worship to the newborn Jesus points out the importance of true worship in our lives. Inclusivity and unity. How the Magi represent different cultures and backgrounds came together to worship Jesus emphasizes the universality and inclusivity of Christ's message for all people. Gifts and sacrifice. The symbolism behind the gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh highlights the significance of offering our best to God and the sacrifices involved in following Christ. Herod's fear and resistance. Herod's fear and resistance to Jesus' birth, reflecting on how earthly power often resists the message of Christ and the implications for contemporary society. Divine guidance. How God guided the Magi through the star and draw parallels in your own life, how God guides you through signs, people, and circumstances in your life. The humble setting of Jesus' birth. The contrasting the opulence of Magi's gift with the humble circumstance of Jesus' birth, emphasizing the humility and simplicity of Christ's message. Response to encounter. We call to reflect on how we respond when encountering Jesus in our lives. It urges us to emulate the faith and devotion of the Magi as we celebrate the feast of Epiphany of the Lord. Just pick up 1 out of 10 themes. Let the homily be precise, to the point. Let it touch the hearts of the faithful. The Epiphany of the Lord. Seeking Christ.